Well, these guys and gals are the toughest among us. The Michelob Ultra El Paso Marathon was still held this morning at Escalante Park. About 500 runners braving the snow and cold. Paul Erickson, your winner in just over 3 hours. Now, they train for this for months at a time for these races. It takes a lot of dedication. However, if it was me, I would have taken the weather this morning as a sign that my running career was not to be. So congrats to all of these people running this marathon this morning. It should count as 3 on their records. That's my take on this. Congratulations to them. Good work.